Sha la 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 la. Shoo 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 la. Ba da ba da ba da. Hi, Kristin. It's nice to see you here.
Thank you very much. I'm here from Boca di Bacco, and I'm very excited to be featuring some fresh shiitake mushrooms incorporated into this toasted Tuscan crostini. We have beautiful toasted chestnuts and pine nuts on top, and you can come get a taste also at my restaurant Boca di Bacco that's located here in the city.
Thank you so much, Kristin. Can you tell us a little bit about your new book?
Yeah, absolutely. Domestic Chic will be coming out September 4th. You can look for it online, and you can also check it out on my website, KristinSollenne.com.
Thank you so much. Have fun.
Thank you.